Okay, students, in this class, we are going to discuss about section formula. You know that section formula, the coordinates of the point P x y, which divides the line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2, joining the points A x1, y1, B x2, y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2. That's why section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is the section formula, and also the midpoint of the line segment divides the line segment in the ratio p of xy. Suppose this is the midpoint of this line segment AB. The AB line segment, the midpoint is p of xy. Suppose. So that's why the midpoint formula is p of xy is equal to x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. This is the section formula.